In this video, we're going to do a local marketing audit on this company. I'm going to go through and break down some of the areas of opportunity to help them get more customers through the door, get some leads in their business. More importantly, some really actionable items for them to implement to help grow their business, hopefully so then you can take this information and implement it in your business and help you grow. In this channel, we talk about growing local service businesses. So if you like stuff like that, hit like and subscribe, and let's get right into this. All right, so this is an air duct cleaning company called Dallas-Fort Worth Dust Busters, and they do HVAC, duct cleaning, and also it seems like they do dryer vent cleaning. So I'm going to do an on-site, off-site audit of their marketing presence and also come up with some other strategies for them. We use this Flash customer journey for different ideas, and this is the basic principles that we implement in businesses: visibility, conversions, and retargeting. So specifically for this, we're going to actually talk about all three of these. So from a visibility perspective, we're going to look at organic search online. We're going to look at some areas of opportunities for ads. We're also going to discuss some business-to-business strategies for this video. We're also going to look at some other opportunities for conversions, and then we're going to talk about briefly some retargeting strategies that they can implement in their business. If you want something like this, I'll put a link down below. We do these free. We do free local marketing audits for businesses, so I can do this on your business as well, and we can even meet for 30 minutes and go through this exact video on your business. All right, so visibility, conversions, retargeting. Perfect. So from a visibility perspective, let's just do a quick search in their area. So we use this tool called Bright Local. We do air duct cleaning, Dallas, Texas, and then let's just look at the first page of Google. So we just want to see, like, where do they rank at? What is Google showing for air duct cleaning in Dallas, Texas? And you can see these Google local service ads here, and then these are your typical Google search ads. And then what we're looking for is we want to see, does our company show up? And so from what I'm seeing here, they're not showing up. So what can you do to show up from an organic perspective here? The first thing is on your website, there are these meta tags title of your pages and meta descriptions. And basically in here, you can put some of the local keywords, like for example, DFW Dustbusters, premium air duct cleaning in Dallas, Texas, for example. And then same thing within your meta description. Also your H1 in here, it should be designated for your local geo-target. So instead of limited time specials, hurry up, it should say premium air duct cleaning in Dallas or whatever your target area is. So just some low-hanging fruit here from an SEO perspective. If you notice under their services, they do have a little bit in here, Dallas-Fort Worth area. But under services, what they should have, instead of it just saying services, it should say dfwdustbusterllc.com/ air duct cleaning or residential air duct cleaning, residential dryer vent cleaning, commercial air duct cleaning, commercial dryer vent cleaning, and each different page should be built out with the correct URL structure, and then again built out. What this is telling Google is that, yeah, you do services and you do all this general type of services, but maybe if you get very specific with residential air duct cleaning, residential dryer vent cleaning, because then you can build off of them into service area pages, which is like residential air duct cleaning in Dallas, residential air duct cleaning in Fort Worth, and then listing out your services and building out these custom pages. So that's some low-hanging fruit opportunities from an SEO perspective. The other thing I noticed when I just looked at their Google business profile is that they are labeled as a home improvement store. So Google doesn't even know what they do, and so they would want their main category to be designated as an air duct cleaning service, air duct cleaning company. And this is something that Google just changes randomly, so you want to make sure that you have your categories designated as whatever you do. So you can do air duct cleaning company, then your secondary one, you could do commercial cleaning, even maybe janitorial services, that's what you want to do. But definitely some opportunity here, and that's why if you notice, like, if they had a local service pack on here, which I don't even see it on here, the little map pack, it would show up, but they're not going to show up because they're not even designated as the right category. Cool. So inside of this, we just talked about the organic search online. We talked about off-site SEO and on-site SEO. From an ads perspective on this query, you can see that there's these Google local service ads. And so I would recommend setting up Google local service ads. You can see in their area for the zip code for one HVAC lead, and on the back end, you could designate, is it for duct cleaning only, or is it for HVAC maintenance, or there's a bunch of different of options. But just for duct cleaning, you can see $25 to $38. So if you want leads, then you can take a look here and say, okay, Same Day Air Duct has 58 reviews, Best Air Duct has 57 reviews, Milestone has 15,000 reviews. So I need to get more than these people in reviews so that I can show up over top of them. There's other things that go into this, but essentially we want to just get as many reviews as these people or more, so that way Google's more going to be more likely to show us, because Google only makes money when you click this button right here to actually call. So if they don't have good companies to show that are not getting clicks, they're not going to show you, because obviously they want people to click and call. That's how they make money. So you could set up Google local service ads. Definitely, I would recommend that. $25 to $38 a lead. If it's $30 and you charge $300, that's 10% of your job. So it definitely could make sense for your business. And then the last one is business to business. And this is pretty straightforward, which is, if you have a business, what is a complementary business that you can offer? If you have a duct cleaning company, can you partner with an HVAC contractor that doesn't offer duct cleaning and pass leads back and forth, for example? Or can you partner with a realtor for all their move-ins and move-outs to do the duct cleaning if the home has pets or smoke or whatever? So coming up with complementary service for B2B is huge. All right, now let's look at conversions. So this takes a little bit more finesse of looking at a website, but there's really 3 call to actions that we look for. The first one is we want to see some type of a booking request or a price quote, and they do have a booking request here, which is good. Booking and schedule your appointment. A little confusing because you have competing call to actions, but we'll just do schedule an appointment. When you go to schedule an appointment, it goes here, and then there's another click for book now that takes you all the way to the bottom, which I would just take this and slide it all the way up, so that way this alleviates the clicks. It can be a little confusing for people. And then same thing with booking. I would change this URL structure to say like book your cleaning or schedule a cleaning or something like that, because again, Google doesn't know what booking means. You need to be very specific with what you're saying. And then one of the things that I saw in here, which this is, to me, I don't like when people put this stuff on here, but like get 20% off Air Duct Cleaning deal, right? Who's not going to check this? Why not just offer this in your pricing? It's just an added click that people might not want. And so just tightening this up a little bit. Also, like street address, apartment, suite, city. You could just put in their full address, for example. But I like they ask for how many units that you have. So this is good, so they can at least get a basic price. So something like that's good. Call us now. This is a good call to action. Sometimes people are at work or they don't want to call because it's after hours. And so having a chat widget here works better than having a call us now, because people might not want to call you. And then let's just check out their mobile. I just want to see if they have the good call to action. Okay, book now, that's good. What I would recommend is just making a sticky header up here that says call now, request an estimate, something like that. That way, as you're scrolling, there's something, but they have this button right here. So I think this is fairly decent. They have several call to actions on here. So from a conversion perspective, I think that they could definitely get better with better call to actions, but I think that they have the basic ones there. And then retargeting. So I don't know if they do this or not because we can't really see. It's more in the conversation. But with retargeting, for duct cleaning, people get their ducts cleaned every like 3 to 5 years. But if they do like dryer vent cleaning, then they should do like a yearly, hey, it's time to get your dryer vent cleaned. Here is a coupon. If you refer someone else, then you both get $50 off or something like that. But that's really good. And then you could take your B2B people and put them into a monthly newsletter. So you could have HVAC contractors getting a monthly email or quarterly or something like that. But those work really good for retargeting to try to get people back into your funnel through the conversion pipeline again. If you have like a normal business, like definitely if you do like HVAC service, electrical service, plumbing, you can email your people monthly because there's so many different services that you can do, whether it's a ceiling fan versus a light fixture or an outlet, right? There's so many things you can stay top of mind on from a retargeting perspective. So these are the type of things that we talk about in our audits for marketing for local service businesses. If you want to audit on your business, again, we do these for free. So if you would be interested in an audit, drop a comment below. There's a link down below. You can actually schedule a 30-minute call and we'll put it together for you. And it's really just get on a call and come up with ideas. Obviously if it makes sense to work together, we can work together. If not, it's all just adding value and hopefully helping you grow your business. Cool. Be sure to hit like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.